Here, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express gift card on Uber Eats. So let's get started. Now, using your American Express gift card on Uber Eats is quick and convenient. Now, here are two ways to do it. The first step is to add a gift card to your Uber Eats payment profile. Now, you can open the website, click on the three dots, and click on Wallet from here. Now that's going to open a new tab and then you'll be redirected to a page like this. Now here you see an option of add payment method. You can click on that and then click on debit or credit or debit card. Now once you click on that, obviously you can type in the card number, expiration date, CVV code, the country, and the nickname or your name. Now this all information should be there on your American Express gift card. And then once you've added all of it, you can go ahead and click on add card and it should be added. Now, the second way to do is use the gift card at checkout. So you can select your desired food and items and then add to the cart. Then click on proceed to checkout. Then click on add payment method if you haven't already added your gift card. Then select debit or credit card, enter the information, enter the total amount which is going to be covered by the gift card balance, and then tap on place order. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.